Hi guys, you're in for a treat today. I'm sharing my recipe on how to make a spicy, delicious, scrumptious Caribbean style meatball. So if you're interested in the most flavorful meatball, keep watching as we get started. It's Caribbean Ducks. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to the channel, I'm glad that you're here. And please do remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as usual, I'm going to get started in the garden to collect some herbs and spices. Now here we have some whirry pepper, most flavorful. And I'm getting some celery right at the garden, along with our chives, our green onion, our fine thyme, and broadleaf thyme. And here's the kicker that's gonna punch this up a notch. I'm going in with some of my callaloo spinach, or chorai bhaji, as some of you guys may know it as. We're gonna have 2 eggs, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. We're gonna need 1 bell pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, fresh, and a bunch of parsley. And we gather up all our ingredients here, including our thyme. And we're getting ready to go in with 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of chicken, 1 pound of ground turkey. Yes, guys, we're gonna make this the most flavorful meatball ever. So we're going in with our Caribbean seasoning here and our callaloo washed and ready to go. And we're gonna get started with our peppercorn. We're gonna ground up our fresh peppercorn. And I must say that it smells awesome when you use fresh peppercorns. So add that into your mixing bowl along with 1.5 teaspoon of kosher salt. And then get ready to chop all the rest of the green spices and herbs. Yes, we're making this the best Caribbean style Caribbean Ducks recipe here. Chop everything together. Little trivia for you guys as you watch as I cut all my ingredients up. How can you tell a retired school teacher? She doesn't have any class. Yes, guys. All right, let's move on. I'm not quitting my day job. I'm just gonna chop my onions and get it together. Cut my bell pepper. Add that in as well. We want to get it into small pieces. So mince it up. Chop your garlics and mince it up as well. I'm making this a quick and easy recipe to follow. And yes, I'm going in with 3 whirry pepper, and that's enough to flavor this food and give it a little punch. And that's gonna make it a nice spicy flavor. Going in with your thyme. And now we're ready for our spinach, our callaloo bhaji, our chorai. Just roll it up like a cigar and dice it up into small pieces. Add that in as well. This is about 2 cups. And of course, I'm going with some of my Caribbean green seasoning. 2 teaspoons of that goes in. And we're gonna go ahead and add some olive oil to this, because we're using the air fryer today. So I'm gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and get ready to mix it all together. Let the magic happen. Here we go. Look at this wonderful, colorful mix here. Now we're going with our panko breadcrumb, or 1 cup. And now it's time for the egg. So this all glued together, and we're able to make it into little balls and keep the shape. And these are eggs from my backyard. That's why they're nice and rich and yellow. Give it a good mix. Yes, this is our little blue fish here for the kids. And this is our air fryer. Yes, this is the Zen Chef air fryer that I'm using for the first time. A little trick here, guys. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for myself. So I'm gonna line the bottom with some parchment paper so it's an easy cleanup. And the best way to do this is going with your best utensil ever, your hands, coat it with some oil, and this will prevent it from sticking to your hand, and you're gonna be able to make a beautiful, nice round ball. Just pinch off some of the meat mixture and roll it into your hand just like that, and you'll have your meatball ready. We're going to continue to make our ball and lay them in the bottom of the pan here. So I managed to fit about 12 into this tray. And we're going to go in and set our temperature to 360 degrees and a timer for about 15 minutes and let it go. And this is what we have, guys. So I cheated a little bit. I added another 5 minutes to make sure that it's all well done. And we have a little golden crust over there. And this is it, guys. Our spicy meatball is done. Yes, this is the Caribbean Ducks recipe. I'm gonna cut it open while it's hot. I'm gonna give it a try. It's nice and juicy with all the vegetables and very tasty. And I'm gonna continue to make it in the rest of the batches. So it's super delicious, but you don't have to take my word for it.
Yummy. And delicious.
So now we're getting ready to give these bad boys a nice bubble bath here into my homemade marinara sauce. I'll show you guys that in another recipe. Very easy to make. And of course, I spice it up a little bit, and we'll get ready to serve on a bed of nice spaghetti. We're having spaghetti and meatball for dinner, guys. And this is how you do it. Nice, spicy Caribbean style meatball with spaghetti. And we're ready to serve up. Guys, if you like this quick and easy recipe, please remember to leave your comment. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Ring that notification bell so you can get my video as soon as I post them. Thank you for watching, and you guys enjoy and have a wonderful week.